Good morning. Hi, today we're going to read us another story. And today's book is Duck in the Truck by Jez Alborough. And truck starts with what letter? You are correct. That's the letter T. Truck starts with the letter T. So today we're going to read a story with the word truck in it and starts with the letter T. Let's see what happens to this duck in the truck. And duck and truck rhyme. Lots of stuff going on in this book. This is the duck driving home in a truck. This is the track which was taking him back. This is the rock struck by the truck, and this is the muck where the truck becomes stuck. So here he is. He's hitting the rock. He's getting stuck in the muck. And here he is. The truck is stuck. These are the feet that jump the duck down into the muck, all yucky and brown. This is the frog who watched from the bush. Do you see the frog? And croaks, "I'll help you. Give it a push." Oh, I think he's gonna help. This is the push of a frog and a duck. And this is the muck. The truck still stuck. This is a sheep driving home in a Jeep. "I'll get out of the way," he yells with a beep. This is the quack of an angry duck. "I can't," he snaps. "My duck is stuck." Quack. He wants him to move out of the way, but he is still stuck. This is the quiet as they think what to do. "Got it," croaks the frog. "Sheep can push too." This is the sheep. And squelch and suck as the sheep steps slowly through the muck. I don't think he likes that squishiness on his feet. This is the push of the sheep, a frog, and a duck. Here they are pushing. And this is the truck, still stuck. Will they ever get it out? This is a happy, sleepy goat relaxing on his motorboat. This is the ear that hears the shout. My truck's stuck in the muck and it won't come out." This is the rope, and here's the goat's plan: to tie a knot as tight as they can. This is the push at the rear once more. This is the pull of the boat leaving shore. These are the wheels. Finally gripping. The knot, this is the knot. Suddenly slipping. Oh no, twang. The knot let go. This is the truck with the wheels spinning fast. Back on the track, unstuck at last. Yippee! This is the duck driving home in the truck, leaving the frog, the sheep, and the goat stuck in the muck. So they helped him and he left them there. That is such a silly ending of this story. Duck in a truck. There were so many rhyming words. Bet you could listen to them all and find them. But we also said that this book had a T word in it, and that was truck. Here's the truck. Let's see some other T words. Here's another truck. And these are toes. Toes start with T. This animal is a tiger. Tiger starts with T. And this toy or top starts with T. The number 10 starts with T. The number 2 starts with T. And tree also starts with T. I bet you guys by now love being letter detectives, and I bet you can go all around your house and look for all sorts of things that start with T. Your tummy starts with T. All kinds of things start with T. Tub, your bathtub, tub starts with T. T, T sound. Can you make that T sound? Go ahead, go all around your house and find everything that starts with the letter T. Take a picture, draw a picture, send it to me. Love to see it. Have a great one. Bye.